Okay, I'm going to show you how to change the tail lights assemblies on this. This is a 2013 F-150. I had to change the passenger side because the driver's side, you see it's broken, and they come in twos. First thing I'm going to do is you remove these two. You can come over here. There's two 8mm screws, one there and one there. You're going to remove these. And then we're going to pop this out. This is just pop. Okay, let me grab I don't have I need one of my plastic tool clips. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a screwdriver very carefully right here. You want to come over here? I'm just going to pry it to help pull it out. Well, these clips can be a little stubborn. There. See, what I was trying to pull out is this clip here and this clip here. They're kind of tight. With I got a grandson in the truck that's playing with stuff. I'm gonna remove these 3 bulbs, twist, pull out. I'm gonna twist this one. They're kind of a pain. The bottom one, the bigger ones come out easy. It will come out, trust me, they're just a little pain sometimes. Jeepers. Okay, all right, we're gonna put the top one in. Turn it, lock it in place. The middle bulb. And then your bottom bulb. Alright. Alright, you got all 3 bulbs back in. You're going to line this up here and then down here. These are going to go in here. You're going to carefully guide them in. Line them up. You also have one right here. It goes up here. Can you see this? This one's going in here, okay? Just line those up. Pop it like that, just nice and gentle. Don't hit this too hard because you will break this. It pops in like that. And you put your 2 8mm screws back in, tighten them down, and that's going to be it. That's how you change it. Let me go ahead and tighten this down. Alright, that's it. That's how you change them. And then over here is the one we replaced. As you can see, this is the reason why we ended up replacing them, but that was broke. There's the new one. Right there. That's how you change the tail light assembly on a Ford F-150. This is a 2013. Hope I helped somebody out. Take care.